Well, hey there. I'm Kristen with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 2119 King Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a duplex home with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, so let's go. Okay, we are starting outside so you can take a look at the darling neighborhood as well as the front of the home. We're going to walk up the steps here. We have a really nice sized porch. You can see the neighbor has some patio furniture out there. You can certainly do the same over here. And we're going to come directly inside to the living room. You can see that this kind of a living room, dining room combination. You can slice these up however you want to, but you do have nice, broad, well-lit open spaces. We're going to come right through here. We have our access to the basement here. We're going to take a little jaunt down here because we don't hide anything, because when you get here, you're going to see it anyways. So you can see there's a lot of open storage space down here. You also don't have to worry about doing your laundry down here because we're going to do that up on the second floor. Coming back upstairs, we are directly led into our kitchen. We have a beautiful bank of cabinets here. We have a fantastic bank of cabinets here and full-size appliances. There is also a really nice little back porch area. I don't mind the mess. We are in the middle of doing some turnover here to make sure this is nice and ready for you. And then there is parking out in the rear. And then the dumpster over there is where you would dispose of your trash. Coming back through the house, we're going to take it upstairs because I'm going to really knock your socks off when it comes to this amazing bathroom. So let's take it up the top here. Turn the hall light on. And I mean, wow. This is a massive space, first of all. This beautiful double vanity, tons of storage in here. I love that your washer and dryer is on the second floor, full-size bathtub. And if that's not enough, you have a fabulous little space up here that is nice and private that you can use however you want to. And on top of all that, you have access to the attic. I'm going to take you right through here, turn the light on. And if you don't want to go down in that basement, this is a really fabulous option. Now let's take it down the hall into the first bedroom. This will fit, probably, I would say a queen size bed would fit in here very nicely. And then you have a nice size closet. So this kind of goes in a little bit, and then it has that additional shelf up there. And then last but not least, we're going to come into the larger of the two. I would say queen, possibly a king. I think you could maybe get a king in here, depending on how much space you want around your bed and your furniture and things like that. Now this closet here just has some shelves and hooks, but can easily be outfitted with a little extra storage shelf or something like that. Well, let's hear it for this cute and cozy place. I mean, literally the only thing that's missing is you calling it home. So what you need to do to make that happen today is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all those details about the property that you really, really want to know. You can book your tour to see for yourself that I'm not lying. This place is cute and indeed so cozy. And then you can also submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today, because I am chomping at the bit to help you make this your home.